Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your cleaning game when it comes to beauty, nail, and barber tools. The AOWOSA high-temperature metal tool cleaning box. This 2-liter dry heat cabinet is designed to make sterilizing your metal tools a breeze. Let's see how it holds up in real-world use. The AOWOSA cleaning box features a sturdy, rust-proof stainless steel body that's built to withstand high temperatures. Inside, there's a quick start heating element that works without the need for pressure, allowing for efficient and fast sterilization. What sets it apart from wet heat sterilizers is that dry heat doesn't require daily cleaning, making it more convenient each time you use it. When it comes to temperature and time settings, this unit offers impressive versatility. You can adjust the timer from 0 to 60 minutes and set the temperature anywhere between 50 degrees Celsius to 220 degrees Celsius. The built-in overheating protection ensures that if the temperature hits 220 degrees Celsius, the machine automatically shuts down for safety. This means you get precise control over the cleaning process while minimizing the risk of overheating. In terms of real-world use, setting up the AOWOSA cleaning box was straightforward. Simply select your desired temperature and time, and you're good to go. I tested it on a few nail tools, including tweezers and nail clippers, and I was pleased with the results. The heat quickly penetrated even the hard-to-reach crevices of the tools, leaving them sanitized and ready for use. The added reflective silver tray ensures that all sides of your tools are exposed to the heat, enhancing the cleaning process. For tools that require liquid-based sanitization, the plastic sterilization tray also comes in handy. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the AOWOSA cleaning box is made from high-quality stainless steel, which gives it a durable and robust feel. The adjustable temperature and timer give you great flexibility, and the overheating protection provides peace of mind. The addition of a reflective silver tray is a thoughtful touch, ensuring thorough cleaning of your tools. However, it's not all perfect. One downside is the lack of a clear indication for the optimal temperature settings for different tools. You'll need to experiment to find the right balance for your specific needs. When it comes to value for money, the AOWOSA cleaning box seems like a solid investment, especially for beauty salons, nail studios, or anyone who works with metal tools regularly. It offers a professional-grade solution for deep cleaning without the need for frequent maintenance. While it may not be the cheapest option out there, the quality and features justify the price. In comparison with other cleaning boxes on the market, this one stands out with its dry heat technology, which eliminates the need for wet cleaning and reduces maintenance. Some other models may offer similar temperature settings, but lack the added features like the plastic sterilization tray or reflective silver tray. If you're in the market for something that's low maintenance and highly effective, this could be the one for you. The build quality is impressive. The stainless steel construction feels solid, and the machine has a premium look and feel. As for longevity, while I don't have long-term data on this product, the materials and build suggest it should hold up well with regular use. Now, let's talk about customer support. I didn't have to reach out to AOWOSA's customer service during my testing, but based on their reputation, I'd expect timely and helpful responses if you did have questions. The brand is known for producing reliable tools, so customer support shouldn't be an issue. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other sterilizing tools out there, but many of them either don't offer the same versatility or lack the dry heat feature, which sets this model apart. You might find cheaper options, but they might require more frequent maintenance or won't offer the same level of deep cleaning. In conclusion, the AOWOSA high-temperature metal tool cleaning box offers solid performance, great versatility, and impressive build quality. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable way to sterilize metal tools. While it could benefit from more guidance on temperature settings, it's still a strong contender in its category. If you're in the market for a dry heat sterilizer, this one is certainly worth considering. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more honest reviews right here on Beautyistic. Have you tried this cleaning box yet? Or do you have any other tool sterilizing solutions that work for you? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Until next time, stay clean, stay safe, and stay beautyistic.